Hello and welcome to Poppy's Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to be making these yummy chocolate puddings. They are nice and crunchy on the top and gooey in the inside. They are very nice with a big scoop of ice cream. First, you set the oven to 180 degrees. Then you add the dry ingredients into a bowl. You add the flour, the sugar, and the cocoa. Then you give it a bit of a stir. Next, you need to mix the wet ingredients. First, you put the butter in the microwave and set it for a few seconds. Next, you add the milk. Then you add a bit of vanilla essence. After that, you give it a bit of a stir. Then we mix it into the dry ingredients. And after that, you give it a bit of a stir. Next, you add this gloopy mix into the ramekins. It tastes good already. Now we need to make the sauce for our pudding. First, you add the cocoa. You sprinkle the cocoa on. Then you add a bit of light brown sugar. After that, you add some fairly hot water. Then you put them in the oven for 15 minutes. Sprinkle it with some icing sugar. You need it fresh from the oven with some yummy ice cream. Yummy!